Hello everyone, welcome back to a brand new tech reviews and gadgets episode where today we're reviewing a handheld and Lavalier microphone set. And you guys are currently watching CrewElite. Today's episode, we're reviewing a microphone set from the company Fifine, and this is actually the model K036A. This microphone set is actually perfect for those who do weddings, who do parties, who do events. This is a very professional microphone that you guys can use for those kind of events. You get included with one handheld, and you also get one lapel or Lavalier microphone included with the set. And then on the receiver, you can even plug in another microphone to have 3 different microphones with this microphone set. So you're really, your options are really limitless with this microphone set. But before we actually get started with this tech reviews and gadgets episode, make sure you guys go down below and hit that subscribe button and turn on post notifications on to get updates and alerts whenever we do upload. Have any questions or concerns about this product, make sure you guys go down below and leave a comment as I reply and read every single comment I do receive. So if you have any inquiries whatsoever, please feel free to ask me down below. If you guys, did enjoy this video after watching it, I would greatly appreciate it if you guys went down below and left a like, as that informs me and keeps me updated if you guys are enjoying this tech series. Follow us on our various social media platforms to stay connected and also get updates whenever we do upload. And then lastly, our business inquiries email is CrewElite@outlook.com. You guys can shoot me a message if you need any assistance, or if you're a company wanting to work with me, you guys can shoot me an email to that email address. Also, if you guys want to actually check out this product or get more information about this microphone set, product information and also the link to purchase this microphone set will be down below in the description for you guys to check out and also get more information about this microphone system. But right now, what we're going to do is actually move on to the first look and unboxing portion of this video. So as you guys can see, the box is fairly simple. There's not really any specifications or details as I spin it around. So what we're gonna do is actually move this onto a secondary camera angle where we actually unbox this microphone set. As you guys can see on the top of the box, it just says Fifine Technology, and that's obviously the brand that we're reviewing this microphone system from. There's no other specifications, so all we're gonna do now is actually proceed to unbox this box. So I'm gonna pull this back and kind of keep it in the camera's view, but you guys can see we are greeted with a sheet of styrofoam and some manuals on top. So this is our user guide. I recommend that you guys read this to get more information about the setup process. It's a pretty long user manual, but it will give you guys a lot more information and specifications and details on how to set up this microphone set. So make sure you do read that if it's your first time setting up this product. We do have a product service card, but let's actually remove this sheet of styrofoam, and you guys can see this is all of the contents inside this microphone set. So we have our actual receiver box right here. It has a metal design to it. You guys can see we have all our knobs right here. So we got our volume for the mics and also the different effects and also like the music level. But I really do like the sophisticated design that this receiver box gives off. It's really minimalistic, it's really small and portable. And then also on the back side, we obviously got our antennas, as you guys can see. And we also have our inputs. So like, the DC input, the power button. We got our different inputs for different devices that you guys can use and utilize. But I want to put this off to the side for now. We have our windscreen and also our anti-slip ring for the microphone system, or the handheld microphone I should say. I like when companies do include this so that when you're moving the microphone around, it doesn't roll off the table. We're gonna put that off to the side as well. We do have an auxiliary cable that has, I forgot the name of this auxiliary cable, but we do get included with this cable that you guys can utilize and use when setting up this microphone system. Next up, we have just a regular 3.5 millimeter auxiliary cable on both ends that you guys can use and utilize to actually plug in different sources of audio into this receiver box. We're going to put that off to the side. We also get included with a DC cable that you guys need to use to actually power up this microphone system. I'm going to put this off to the side as well. Right here we just have a windscreen for the handheld, or not the handheld, but the Lavalier microphone. Next up, we actually have our handheld transmitter. As you guys can see, it has a really nice design to it too. We do get an on and off button in the middle. We have a screen that will probably, you know, it will tell you guys what frequency you're on, what's the battery and stuff. And then if you open this compartment up, you know, you put your two AA batteries in. This is how the back side looks like. You do get a clip on, and this is a detachable lav mic, so you guys can actually buy other Lavalier microphones to swap this out and, you know, change it up. And, you know, if you need to buy a replacement, you can do so with this lav microphone. We're gonna put it off to the side as well. We do get a 6.35mm audio jack that you guys can utilize and use when actually, you know, plugging this into like studio equipment or DJ equipment. You can plug it into, I think, the back of this microphone system, or I should say receiver, and then you can output the audio to one of those devices that I just specified. I'm going to put that off to the side, and then last but not least, all we have is the handheld microphone. So let me pull it out of its bag. But you guys can see the handheld microphone looks really nice and stylish. It has a black design, and you know, the quality doesn't feel too bad. It is not made out of metal except for the headpiece, but everything else, you know, it still feels really nice. The weight's pretty good, so it's, you know, we're gonna test it out and see how the output is of this microphone. But yeah, so what I'm gonna do is actually move everything off to the side so we have more space to work with. But as you guys can see, this is everything that's actually included with the packaging. You know, we got the windscreen, the anti-slip ring for the microphone, handheld microphone. We got our user manual. We got, you know, our two different auxiliary cables that you guys can use and utilize with this microphone system. We have our DC plug-in that you guys need to utilize to charge up this microphone system. We got the handheld microphone itself. We do get a Lavalier microphone. We have a 6.35mm audio jack on both ends, cable that you guys can use to output the audio, or, you know, output it to a different source. And then we also have a windscreen protector for the Lavalier microphone. And then last but not least, we have the receiver box, which we already took a closer look at earlier. So all that's left to do now is move on to the testing and demonstration portion of this video. Okay, so we're actually all ready to proceed to, you know, actually get this microphone system set up, and then what we're gonna do after is actually move over to some DJ equipment where we actually test this out and give a fold-on demonstration of this microphone's capabilities. But what we're gonna do is actually, we do need to put batteries into this handheld microphone, and all you need to do is put one in just like that, snap it in place, flip it onto the back side, and just like that. And then all you gotta do is screw this part back on, and we're gonna see if this microphone turns on. So this microphone, handheld microphone, is ready to go. Next up, we're gonna put batteries into the Lavalier transmitter body pack. So all you need to do is open up this compartment like I showed you guys earlier, pull back, take two AA batteries, insert one in just like that, snap it in place, insert the second one just like this, snap it in place, close it up. And then the last thing I also want to show you guys is, you know, just, you know, plugging in the DC cable of this handheld microphone receiver box. So all you need to do is take the DC cable, just like this one right here, unwrap it, and once you unwrap your DC cable, what you need to do is actually plug it into a power source. And once you plug it into a power source, you just flip it onto the back of this receiver box and plug it into the port that says DC input. So I'm just gonna plug it in right there, and I think we should be good to go. We just need to click on this power button that's on the back as well. And you guys can see on the front side we have all our lights lit up, we got the power on, so everything's ready to go. All that's left to do now is move over to the DJ booth where we actually give our full demonstration and test of this microphone system. As you guys can see, we've actually made it to the DJ booth where we're going to be testing out this Fifine K036A microphone system. I've actually have it all hooked up and ready to go with this GJ set that I'm going to be using in this demonstration. So, you know, we're going to test out this microphone and see what it's really capable of. So everything's on right now. We're going to actually start off with the handheld microphone itself. And all we need to do is hold down this power button on the microphone. As you guys can see, it's kind of focusing, but you guys can see all we got to do is hold down this power button and the screen is on and ready to go. So all we need to do now is basically get this ready to go. Let me just turn this on. Mic 1. There we go. You guys can see it's already picking my audio. Wow, not bad. Wow, okay. This does have a very nice pickup to it. You guys can see as I tap on the microphone, the audio from, the audio that's being picked up from this microphone doesn't sound bad at all. Considering the price of this microphone system, it's not that bad. You do get a handheld microphone and you also get a Lavalier microphone with this set. Let's try this echo effect real quick. And you guys can see it does do a little bit of an echo. That's kind of cool. So this feature is actually inside this receiver built in. What we're going to be doing right now is I'm just going to be playing some music in the background so we can kind of see how this microphone does when you have music playing in the background. There we go. Alright, let me turn on the talk over feature right now. So you guys can see as I talk into the microphone, it does decrease the audio of the microphone. But next up, what we need to do is actually, try out the Lavalier microphone. So you guys can see this is how the body pack looks like for this microphone system. You got the Lavalier headpiece, and then you also got its transmitter right here. We're gonna hold it down, turn it on, and you guys can see we do have a screen. I don't know if you guys can see that, with the camera kind of focusing and stuff, but we do have a screen. Now we're ready to actually clip this onto myself. So this should be ready to go. I don't know if right now the volume's at 0, but I'm gonna put it halfway. And then basically what you need to do is go on the receiver and increase the volume of whichever microphone it is. So in my case, this is actually mic A. So I'm gonna increase volume for mic A. But it should be picking up my audio right now. And you guys can see it is picking up my audio. But we do have some frequency because I'm too close to this speaker. So let me kind of just shift that away. I can adjust the audio on the top right now. And you can go in and increase the audio, decrease it. So like right now, you guys can't really hear any audio being picked up. And I can increase it and you guys can see now the audio is being picked up. So this is essentially like a mute function. So if you just turn it down all the way, no one's gonna be hearing any audio being picked up from this Lavalier headset right here. And then we also get a screen in the middle. As you guys can see, it tells you the battery percentage of this handheld, or I should say not handheld, but this Lavalier transmitter. We also get a clip on the back, so you guys can clip this easily onto, your pants, onto your shirt, or wherever you decide to clip on this Lavalier body set, which is overall really nice. And then I forgot to mention there's an antenna so that you can enhance the audio signal from this Lavalier headset. But overall, this is a really good microphone set from the company Fifine. And like I was saying earlier, this is the model K036A. And if you're looking for a cheap but budget-friendly microphone that you guys can use for typical gatherings or little small gatherings, weddings, events, birthday parties, karaoke even, check this out and see if this might fit your needs. It's a decent set, But right now, what we're gonna do is actually move on to the final reflections and remarks, and then end off this video. So, what are my final opinions and remarks about this Fifine microphone system? As you guys can see, I'm not using this microphone. I'm just, kind of messing around right now. But honestly, the audio isn't too bad. Considering the price of this microphone, you guys can do basic events with this. If you have parties, birthday parties, little gatherings, little events, little receptions, just a little, just some socializing, amongst your friends and stuff. You can even do karaoke with this microphone. I also love this body pack transmitter. you know, the quality wasn't that bad, surprisingly, so that's really good. And then I also like that you can even swap this microphone up. You can even, you know, increase and decrease the microphone level on the microphone, I should say, body pack transmitter. So it's really nice that they did it like this. I really like the sophisticated design. But hopefully you guys enjoyed this tech reviews and gadgets episode. I know I didn't making it, but before you guys actually head out and check out some other videos, you know, make sure you guys go down below and hit that subscribe button and turn on post notifications on to get updates and alerts whenever we do upload. Have any questions or concerns about this microphone system or set, make sure you guys go down below and leave a comment as I reply and read every single comment I do receive. So if you have any inquiries whatsoever, please feel free to ask me. If you guys did enjoy this video, I'd really appreciate it if you went down below and left a like, as that informs me and keeps me updated. If you guys are enjoying this tech series, follow us on our various social media platforms to stay connected and also get updates whenever we do upload. Our business increase email is CrewElite@outlook.com. You guys can shoot me a message if you need photo assistance, or if you're a company wanting to work with me, you guys can shoot me an email through that business increase email. And then lastly, if you guys actually want to check out this Lavalier and handheld microphone system, product information and also the link to purchase this product will be down below in the description for you guys to check out and also get more information about this Lavalier system. But right now, that is going to conclude our video for today. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this tech reviews and gadgets episode. I know I did making it, and I'll see you guys all on the next episode. CrewElite signing out. Thank you guys all for watching, and have a good rest of your day.